What's up business buddies, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to explain another sequence when creating your new campaign, which is email LinkedIn for follow-up, meaning that you will engage first on email, fall back using LinkedIn if they haven't replied, and this sequence is perfect if your audience is quite active on email, and these are the actions that will be applied. You can choose the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. And then a plan will show up. We made it easier for you to understand more this template. Next, you're gonna add the list of your prospects. You can either choose all the prospects or select one of them from the list. Next is the email finder. If you wanna reach out to your prospect via email, you always need to use his professional email. Next is the conditional statements. If the email is found within 5 days, then an email will be sent next. Select your email account, type your email subject and your message body. Next, you're gonna select the delay between the first email and the second email. Select your email account for your second email, type your email subjects and your message body. Next step is an invitation will be sent. Another conditional statement. If your prospect does accept your invitation within 5 days, then you're gonna select the delay between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and your first message. Type your message, and then you're gonna select the delay between your first message and the second message. Here you're gonna type your second message. Move on to the other conditional statements. If the prospect doesn't accept your invitation within 5 days, then an email will be sent instead. Select your email account, type your email subjects and your email body. Next, you're gonna choose the delay between the first email and the second email. For your second email, you're gonna select an email account, type your email subject and the message body. Move on to the other conditional statement. If the email wasn't found within 5 days, then an invitation will be sent. Then you're gonna select the delay between the moment your prospect accepts your invitation and your first message. Type your first message. Now you're gonna select the delay between the first message and the second message. You're gonna type your second message. Now you're gonna choose the delay between the second message and the third message. Here you're gonna type your third message. Now you're gonna select the delay between the third message and the final message. Type in your last message, click on next, and here you go, your campaign is created.